So this is our 1331 square foot Ballantyne apartment home. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. So on the left here we have our kitchen. It's going to have a nice long island with room on this outside for seating. We do have stainless steel appliances in here, lots of cabinet space. And then at the end of the kitchen you have your pantry. And then right next to the pantry, we have a side-by-side washer and dryer closet. And then over here, we've got a hallway that leads to the main bedroom and bathroom. So take a look around. This is our bedroom space. Really large. This is a California king-size bed, so you can fit lots of furniture in here, even a desk for additional space if you'd like. And then we have our side-by-side closets with built-in shelving. And then this is the main bathroom here with side-by-side sinks and a steaming shower. And this is the main living area. This furniture is configured to allow for a dining table and a seating area. Most people will do their seating at the kitchen island and then just have this for a huge sectional. It's totally up to you, but there's lots of space. And then this is the other guest bedroom and bathroom.